This tutorial will focus on the Read SAP Table and Join action. In our first tutorial, we discovered how to identify accounts by transaction. Our result looks something like this, where we discover the two accounts that have been executing VA01. Now let's say you would like to add first and last name information related to this account, so you know who the person is. Let me walk you through the steps. The first thing we're going to want to do is right-click on your workflow in the Model Explorer and choose Copy Here. This will make a copy of our first workflow. Right-click on your new workflow and rename. Let's call it 1.02. Okay, make sure you select your second workflow. The first thing we want to do is delete these two boxes here. So one way to do it is take your cursor and just hold your mouse button down and select both the action and the data set, and then click delete right on your keyboard. Okay, the next thing we want to do is open your component palette. We'll bring out the Read SAP Table and Join action. So this one here, just take it, drag and drop it right next to your results. Now I'm going to hide my Model Explorer by clicking this, and let's call this result 1 here. So I'm just selecting my previous result and changing the label in the property editor. Now let's make this our source, the result 1, our source to our Read SAP Table and Join action. So to do that, click on the drop down for source and select result 1. The table name, click on the drop down and choose edit and type in USR21. The RFC destination will be the same, so use the one that's on your canvas already. So don't do a new one, don't select edit, select the third option, the one that's already out there. And we'll need a new result that will come out of this action. So choose new table. So first click on the drop down for results and then choose new table. Now we would need to do the key map here. So if I look in my source, what I want to do is map in account to the table. And I know the USR21 table has the same information, but it's called bname. So we're going to map account to bname. So click on the drop down for key map, choose edit, and then do this little plus sign here on the right. And for name 1, type in account. So name 1 will always be the current action that you're on for the Read SAP Table and Join. So, the name 1 will be the source, and the name 2 will be the name that's within the table, within your Read SAP Table and Join action. And this will be bname. So we're mapping account to bname. Click Save. And then click your Save icon up here. Okay. And then last, let's add. We're going to add in, so click the drop down for add, click Edit, and then click the lookup here. So what we're going to add is the purse number. We need this purse number to join with another table to find the first and last name. So select purse number, click OK, click Save, and then click F8 on your keyboard. Okay, right click, view details. So I have the purse number, and now what we need to do is go back to your component palette and drag another Read SAP Table and Join action over to your result. Okay, let's call this result, and the label here, USR21 results. Okay, now let's make that the source. USR21 will be the source to this new Read SAP Table and Join. So here it is, and you notice the orange rim will hover over all of the options on the canvas. So I want this one, USR21 results. Okay, the table name, choose Edit. Now in this table, we need to read ADRP. Okay, click Save. RFC destination, choose the one that's already on the canvas. There'll be a new result coming out. Our key map this time will be, click the plus sign, our key map will be purse number to purse number. So both tables have the same key. Click Save. And click Save up here in the upper left. And let's add our columns. So in the Adds, click Edit, select Lookup, and what we want are the name first and name last fields. So click those two, select those two, click OK, click Save, and click F8 on your keyboard. Double click. So I see I have my first and last names with my data. So I'm just going to reorder these fields to type, name, account, count. I don't need this purse number, I don't need the period, I need the first and last names. So let's use SQL for this. Execute SQL. Let's call this result ADRP results. And let's make that the source to our SQL statement here. And there'll be a new result coming out. So select New Table, and then click F3 on your keyboard, insert row, create table result as select type, name, count, name, first, name, last, from source 1. Click Save and F8. Thanks for watching.